Y'all, so today is the day that this chicken coop that's really close to our patio is getting moved. So my brother-in-law's over here helping my husband, and we're gonna be moved. I say we're, like I'm doing something, I'm just watching. So they are gonna move it across the yard by our other chicken coop so that everybody can be together. Let me turn the camera around and I'll show y'all. So here is our back patio. This is where we spend the most of our time. And then we have a sidewalk, and boom, there is this chicken coop. And so this needs to get moved because they're really tame and they want to just hang out and poop everywhere. See, look, there's one right there. We got, these are some of the bigger ones. We've got all of them out. And then we put all of the smaller chicks kind of over here in this little playpen because I don't want them, they like to hang around the coop, and I'm afraid if I let these out, the little ones, they'll want to hang out underneath the coop and end up getting run over or something with the tractor. So they're in here safe for now. But yeah, this is about to get moved, and that's going to open up this whole area here, and I am super excited about that. So we got to try to get that up and get it over, which our yard is very rooty, so I'm gonna try to fix that, get it over that root real quick. Okay, so I don't even know what I'm gonna do here, but I know I'm gonna clean all of this up. This little picnic table, all of this stuff is gonna be gone because I just want this to look open, airy, and nice. All right, we're back in business. This is how you move things in the country. Just do it yourself. Some hard-working men, tractor, and muscle. This is how we roll. Okay, so here is our other little chicken coop here. So the new coop is going back here somewhere. They've kind of cleaned out a spot for it back here. So it'll be nice to have everybody in the same spot. So new location is to get that coop from there. It was way over there, so it was way over there, now it's here, so now they got to get it all the way back in here. So fun times. Y'all notice the hand motions? I love it. Like, he tells him exactly what to do just by his hands. He knows exactly what those hand motions mean. This is my husband's brother, by the way, Billy. And he's a sweetheart, coming to help us. Poor brother-in-law is gonna need some Tylenol. And we have some benches over there that it might hit, so they're gonna try to turn it a little bit. Oh no, electrical cord. Okay, yeah, they didn't want to mess with that, so getting that out of the way. Okay, so I hope it's not too loud. What they're trying to do is turn this thing so that it fits back in there snug. But the tractor's hitting the fence back there. So that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to get this corner turned around so the door's facing this way and everything is nice and straight. This takes a little time, a little maneuvering, but they'll get it. And then he's helping kind of push it. little bit at a time.
Back up. Bucket down. Bucket down. Now, forward.
Just get it squared up now and back as far as they can get it. So that's what they're looking at now. They're trying to make sure they're squared up with this building over here. Because you want everything to look nice too. Oh, don't you love brothers? They still fuss even when they're grown. So I think now they put that under there. And I think what he's about to do is try to scoot this back because he can't pull it because the tractor don't have enough room. So I think he's about to try to just push this back. We'll see exactly what they're doing. That's what I thought. Nice. See, they're looking to make sure it's squared up with something over there in that other building. They like things to be neat. In the building looking and trying to still get it squared up. Y'all, they're too much for me. But I appreciate their precision. Alright, so now they're getting ready to block it up, like to put some blocks underneath it, because we're not just going to leave it on the ground. We're going to put it on some cement blocks and just raise it up just a little bit. And we live next door to our family, so another one has walked over. We have family living all around us, so when people are outside doing projects, the families always seem to mingle and come over and see if they can help. He's coming over to see what he can do. Such good men. Big brother's on the tractor now, and my husband's down here as they're taking turns. Or either my brother-in-law's getting tired. So I'm so excited, y'all. Here they are, all moved in, and it's a couple days later now. We did purchase some of this fencing from Premier 1, and this is a game changer type fence, y'all. We love this so much. It is so easy to move around, and you can hook make it an electrical fence, make it a hot fence, so they, you know, predators won't try to get in there. We don't think we're going to have any problems with that, but if we see we do, we'll hook the electrical thing up to it, but we don't have it hooked up for now. But y'all, this fence is amazing. I love having all of the chickens back here in one spot. Loving it out here. We can just open their coop and let them out. Look at them all taking some little dirt baths. They're so cute. And they seem to just be overall more happy out here, because we can just open the door and let them out without worrying about anything getting to them or worry about them getting away, because they have not tried to fly over this fence yet. So if we see that becoming a problem, we'll probably clip their wings. But for now, they are just happy as can be.